Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I will show you how to make this quick painting, landscape painting with alcohol ink. And I'm using this glossy photo paper that I got from Staples. But you could use any brand. You could also use Nara paper or Yupo paper or any other synthetic paper also. But when using this glossy photo paper, I use the back side. So make sure to buy the paper that doesn't have any watermark on the back. So I happened to see the Staples. This brand didn't have the watermark, but you can check it out or ask the store uh, employee or something. And for blending this, I'm using 91% isopropyl alcohol. And I always use some wax papers to pour the paint in, so I don't need to directly pour into the drawing paper. Because if you directly pour onto the drawing paper, sometimes it messes up if you don't have enough practice. So since I'm not that much experienced, I use this technique to add the paint onto the wax paper. And instead of using brush, I figured that I could just roll the wax paper and then use it to apply the paint. Because if you use brush, there is a big hassle of cleaning it up and it's very difficult. So this is easy. I can just use and throw. So you could also try this technique of just rolling this wax paper and applying the paint. So the colors I'm using is pitch black and blue violet. So this is the pitch black color. And the other color that I am using is the blue violet. So only two colors for this painting. So this first layer I am applying pitch black. Since this is totally abstract painting, you don't need to follow any specific rules. Just apply based on your imagination and let the paint flow through. And I'm using another rolled paper for dipping it into blue violet and coloring it. And some of the safety tips while using alcohol ink is that you better do it in a well ventilated area, preferably outside your house or anywhere with the full windows and doors open, because you don't want to inhale the fumes of alcohol ink. It's very dangerous. And also I don't expose myself too much. The maximum time I spend is just a quick 10-minute painting or 15 minutes painting. I don't do more than that, because long exposure is very dangerous. So I first apply the alcohol ink, then I apply the isopropyl alcohol and just blend it. The isopropyl alcohol is the one that you see in the white bottle. I poured Now I want to add some gold leaf, so I applied some glue and applying the assorted gold leaf that I got from art store. And one thing to remember about gold leaf is that once the painting is all completely dry after applying the leaf, then you apply the gold leaf sealer which is available in the market. So that's very important because otherwise the gold leaf will lose all its shine. But let the complete painting dry for a couple of days before you do that. There is a product called Mona Lisa Gold Leaf Sealer which you can use. Once you apply it, it acts like a sealant and protects the painting just in that leaf area. And to draw the trees, I use some black acrylic paint and some fine brush to apply it. If you want, you can add tiny bit of water to the